Hello, thank you for viewing me. This is Lady V at Lady V Tarot. This is a weekly reading for the week of June 16th through the 21st for Leo. Leos are from July 23rd through August 22nd. Those are their birthdays. First message from the universe for you. Okay, Leo? If you are feeling stuck in any area of your life, whether it is in a relationship, a job, or just a situation, ask yourself, what is stopping me from living? Yes, living is scary, but sometimes it is the right step to take. Be brave. We are right beside you, okay? That's a message from the universe. Message from the universe. Okay, so we'll pull one card from, this is a numerology angel number. By the way, thank you so much for liking, sharing, and for subscribing. I really appreciate it to help my channel grow, okay? If you have any feedback, let me know. You have the email there in the description. Lady Viv Tarot TV. Message numerology number, your angel number. It's funny, this is a repeat. I got this from a different zodiac too. 222, acceptance, surrender, let go, peace, clarity, adaptability, moving forward. Are you stuck? You know what this is? They're just talking to each other. If you're feeling stuck, and here is also let go, surrender. See? They are just chatting, they're connecting to each other. So basically the confirmation of your message. Okay? Whatever you're stuck right now, just let go. One day at a time, patience, present, progress, focus, daily effort, future mindfulness. The effort you put in today is what you will illuminate your future. Focus on doing the right things today and do not worry about what will happen tomorrow. Your daily efforts are building the foundation for tomorrow's success. Very nice. That's your angel number. And we'll pull some love energy, okay? And then after this love messages is your money reading. What is Leo's person? What is their energy towards Leo? This is a love messages oracle deck. Love messages for Leo from their person. What is their person's, Leo's person's energy towards Leo? Oh, inseparable. That is their energy, your person. Our love is always there despite the distance. Oh, inseparable. Like that. And what you don't see coming also is hope. I haven't given up on us yet. Wow. Okay. What is Leo's person's feelings towards Leo? Their feelings. There's chemistry. It's chemistry. I have never felt a passion this intense. Oh my goodness. Irreplaceable. The way you love can never be matched. Irreplaceable, inseparable, chemistry. Oh my goodness. I really like that looks of that card. So because you are replaceable, inseparable, of course there's chemistry. I have never felt a passion that intense, okay? But just pay attention, someone is just neglected. I failed to give you what you need. So that's a love message. Just pay attention. That's I love it. Okay, so we'll do a money reading. This is a money reading. Spirit guide, angels. What is the money energy of Leo? Money energy of Leo. Money matters. See that? Money matters. That's your energy. Money matters a lot now. Watch your expenses and save up for the future. You need to be prepared for the unexpected. So basically, that's your energy right now, Leo. Some savings and plan for the future. What is, Spirit Guide, your money advice for Leo? Money advice. Money advice is, oh my God, this one more time, wish come true. Money advice, wish come true. That's a very big deal. Your wish is being granted, but it may not come in the way you expected. No worries, it is just what you need. Okay? Patience, divine timing. You'll get what you're wishing for, whatever you're manifesting. Okay, money wise, you'll get it. What is the money outcome for Leo? Money outcome is journey. Okay, you may move to a new place for work or travel for work. Exploring the world gives you the experience you need to succeed. It's very nice. These are both. You know what? Your cards are really talking to each other, just so you know. Journey and wish come true, inseparable. Those are really great card. And this one is, they're talking to each other too. Okay. Surrender. My goodness. Okay. And of course, chemistry. I love that. It's money, guidance. See? Let's see what we can see. We'll pull more messages from your person. Any love messages from Leo's person, okay? Because everybody likes love messages, so we'll see. Signal. This is one of the messages from your person, Leo. Signal. There will be someone who tells you that his heart beats fast here, pointing to his chest. Hearts. Let me repeat the signal, okay? There will be someone who tells you that his heart beats fast here, pointing to his chest. What does that mean? One more. Core. They are secondary always. Always put yourself first. Oops. One more. Blessed. Release them with love. Refrain from seeking revenge, and blessings will follow. You know what? These are similar. The three cards confirming each other. Okay. It's about releasing. Okay, let go. Wow. Okay, so what's the outcome of this reading? Outcome for Leo. This is a Rider-Waite our traditional tarot deck. What's the outcome of this reading? Outcome. Oh my. Outcome. So, is there some kind of obsession or a toxic relationship? You know, guys, I think I explained this. These are all let go, okay? Moving forward, surrender. Because this is a confirmation. You are in a toxic relationship. The devil, Capricorn energy. So I guess you're gonna have to let go, okay? There's obsession. Again, there's fights. Control, manipulation from your partner. Any messages from the universe? Final message. The devil covered by an angel. So just be patient, okay? Be patient, have balance, and you will soon. You are being protected too, okay? Whatever this is, you're being protected. Temperance. Fire energy. Fire, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So just be patient. You will meet. You are being protected. And you will meet your partner, the right one for you very soon. Okay? Let's see. So look forward. Okay? Looking ahead. Expansion, growth for the future. That's very good. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and for subscribing, Leo. Okay? I really appreciate everybody. And I'll see you. You take care. Okay? Bye-bye.